so knocked out the first job already. I'm heading off to the next job. Repeat customer. She uses me probably once a year, 9 months. She has some big dogs that they're house dogs, but they're not too well potty trained. So whenever I go there, I have to do a pet treatment on it. Hit those stains. Usually I'll hit whatever I got, organic stain removal, like stain 1, or like the last time I was there I used that, the 24 peroxide, that type of stuff. But I'm going to go ahead with the Unchained by TMF. I'm going to hit that with the Unchained today. I don't think I was using that product last time I did her carpet, so we're going to treat the stains with Unchained. We're going to do the rest with carpet detail, the cleaning with carpet detail, and call that one a wrap, because I know it usually comes out looking beautiful. Lady uses me over and over again, so I'm doing something right. Alright, we'll see you then. Alright, so I just finished up with the vacuuming. This is the Unchained here. I'm going to mix this in a little spotter bottle here. We'll pump up. I got this Ryobi. I love it. Right? It's got the big tank, and then I bought a little tank here to go with it for my spotters and stuff. But the hose that feeds into the container itself is too long, so I couldn't get this to work the other day. I thought it was the battery, but it was just the hose was sucking air. So I gotta figure that one out. That's weird. So I'm still using these from time to time. All right, let's go check out the spots. Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up real quick. Then we'll go check out the spots. Okay, so there's not as much as normal. So that's good. Not bad at all. Four stains. Big ones though. So it looks like I did a good job last time, because it's been probably a year. I think I cleaned our house last Christmas, around Christmas. Yeah, dogs are good in bed. Alright, I'm gonna get started. beautiful. It took me a little longer than I expected because halfway through the job I noticed one of my jets were clogged up partially, so I had to make a lot more passes. My lazy self didn't feel like going out to the van and getting the tools and fixing it. So anyway, end results came out great. All right, so I'm gonna call this one's a wrap. That's pretty much a pet stain removal video, and heavy. The customer smokes in the house, so the carpets were really yellow and brownish, and you can see as I went over the carpet how it just brightened everything up back to that blue that it's supposed to be. All right, so please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one.